Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Buckeye local and long-distance movers near me. Do you need help with your Buckeye, Arizona relocation? 3Movers is the right team for you. For over 20 years, we've helped people and businesses relocate safely, promptly, and with great satisfaction. Whatever you need for your Buckeye move, we can probably help you with it. Moving to a new city can be both exciting and stressful. You are embarking on a new journey that can be filled with joys and opportunities. But at the same time, you have to part ways with your friends, neighborhood, and old job. Add to this the difficulty of planning the move, and you can understand why moving is considered one of the most stressful events in someone's life. At 3Movers, we can help make your long-distance move seamless. Here are some of the reasons you should choose us for your long-distance move. Over 20 years of experience in the industry. Professionally trained movers and drivers. Fully licensed and insured. Helpful customer service. Auto shipping. Storage solutions. Honest and transparent quotes. Do you only need to move locally and think you can handle everything on your own? A DIY move can be realistic if you only have a few boxes that you can fit in the back of your car. But if you also need to move furniture, household appliances, and other bulky objects, then you will benefit from hiring a professional team of movers. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.